Hi, I'm Kevin Lanning. I'm a professor of psychology and data science here at Florida Atlantic University in Jupiter. And I'm honored to be running this year's Summer Institute in Computational Social Science, or SICSS. I'll be sharing that with two esteemed colleagues, Kat Albrecht and AJ Alvero. Kat, I'll turn it over to you.
Hi, my name is Kat Albrecht, and I'm an assistant professor down the road at Georgia State University. And I'm really happy to be here after launching SICSS Chicago and SICSS Atlanta to see what's happening in South Florida. Over to you, AJ.
Hi, my name is AJ Alvero. I'm an assistant professor of sociology with a specialization in computational social science at the University of Florida. And I'm really excited to be participating in SICSS South Florida. I was previously a TA for the SICSS Bay Area, and I think this is going to be a really great opportunity for people in South Florida.
So guys, I may be senior in a few respects, but I'm junior with respect to my experience with SICSS. Kat, you've served in SICSS, or maybe 7 SICSS in the past. AJ, at least one. Tell prospective students what they could expect in our 2-week institute.
So what SICSS is a combination of computational social science incubator and research ideation lab. So what we're looking for outstanding undergraduates, graduate students, postdocs, and faculty who are interested in upskilling in computational social science methods or just discovering new and creative questions. And how we do this is we spend the first week together learning the skills, what makes computational social science go. And that's everything from web scraping to network modeling, working in Python across R and any language you want. And then in the second week of the Institute, we change our focus to the creation of interdisciplinary group projects that can create sustainable research partnerships, not just for today, but also for tomorrow. And in that way, joining SICSS isn't just joining a workshop, it's joining a community.
So let me just talk about my own experience then. So what I can promise you is not just an excellent learning opportunity to learn the latest and greatest in data science and computational methods for social science, but also a top tier opportunity to meet other people who have these interests. Sometimes it can feel like when we're in our departments or speaking with other faculty that we're kind of the weirdos who are interested in using these newfangled methods. But what I can tell you is that SICSS is an international community of scholars who want to advance the state of the art of this field, as well as ask hard-hitting social scientific questions. And you get to be a part of that if you participate.
And in participating in it, I think you're doing something which is really important potentially. Data and technology is a force towards inequality in the world. And it's really important for social scientists to make use of tools, such as the tools we'll be learning about in the Institute, to make the world a more accessible and even place to counterbalance against those growing inequalities.
See, what I think is so wonderful about SICSS is it's not necessarily about being the best programmer, right? It's about coming in with a desire to learn and a desire to collaborate. And to that end, we've had SICSS participants around the world in a huge amount of fields. We've had folks doing computational archaeology. We've had computer scientists and industry partners. We've had people in every discipline of the social sciences, humanities, and beyond. So I think a great thing about SICSS is that we aim to define what is computational social science, and our answer is anything that's cool. So if you want to do something cool this summer, you can join us at SICSS South Florida.
I'd add to that being in a community of social scientists, I think there's this mentality that data is not just some abstraction, being pulled from the ether, but data are people. Data represent people, their experiences, their lives, their outcomes, and being in community with people who kind of have that as their first step, I I think it's a very different kind of tenor to the conversation as opposed to, purely a technical kind of training. No offense to the computer scientists.
Yeah, no offense to the computer scientists. We're not computer scientists, but this idea that data in the service of human interest, I think is really, really important. Hey, let me ask one question of each of you. Your single coolest memory of SICSS ever? Kat's got more to think about. AJ,
yeah,
so
let me jump in. Yeah. So I mentioned at the beginning just the opportunity to join, again, literally an international network of scholars who have an interest in computational social science, right? And I say that first because it's the reason why I was drawn to continue participating in SICSS, try to do my part in organizing another site along with Kevin and Kat. I made the connections I made as a TA in the Bay Area version of SICSS a couple of years ago. Are connections that I still maintain, people that I still am in communication with, people that I'm starting research projects with. It just goes like way beyond a 2-week intensive summer program in ways that I think makes SICSS very, very special.
And I think the other thing that makes SICSS so special is the volume of ideas you can come up with in 2 weeks. So the way we organize our curriculum is it's a combination of guest speakers at the forefront of their fields and disciplines, hands-on learning of computational science techniques, but also these daily opportunities to put what you're learning into practice. And when we put that into practice, we don't mean like problem sets. We mean generating original questions, piloting projects, and using those new computational methods every day. And for me, the best part of SICSS is that those projects don't end when the week ends. And even as an organizer of SICSS, when I'm not technically supposed to be doing projects, I've still written articles and written grant proposals with folks who've come to participate in SICSS because some of the ideas are just too good and we just have to do them later.
Okay, we need to wrap it up. Thank you once again for your interest. It is a great opportunity. We hope that you will consider joining us. For 2023, the deadline will be March 3rd. So please get your applications in. You can learn more about the program and how to apply at this website right here. So thanks again.